Good morning. I'm First Alert meteorologist Richie Pergolesi checking out the latest here on Tropical Storm Isaias. Right now has winds of 60 miles per hour moving northwest at 20. This is the infrared satellite here where we can see there's a little bit more convection with the system, so it's getting a little bit better organized as it was about 6 to 12 hours ago. Now, as it's making its way through Hispaniola, it's going to be interacting with some mountains here, which will hopefully shred the storm up a little bit. And the National Hurricane Center has agreed with that with their forecast track going down to 50 miles per hour as it exits, becoming 70 miles per hour Saturday evening as it goes right through, is expected to come around here to South Florida here Saturday into Sunday morning here at this time. So here's the model guidance here from the Weather Service. Now we got most of the models agreeing that it may make a right turn, but there's a couple that go off to the left here. Now I just want to stress the importance here. We're still far out from the storm getting closer to us, so there's still a probability, as we saw in the cone of uncertainty, that that eye may shift from left to right. But if you stay with us here at WPTV, we'll update you both on air and online. So here are the tropical storm wind possibilities here. 20 to 50% chance of those tropical storm winds, which are winds of 39 miles per hour or greater, impacting us here across the Palm Beaches here and the Treasure Coast. So what time can we expect those winds to arrive? Well, Friday night into early morning here, Saturday, that's when we expect those tropical storm winds to start picking up across South Florida. Now, this is the GFS model here, which is showing about a quarter to about a half inch of rainfall over South Florida here, but the Euro model showing something a little bit different. Check this out, 1 to 3 inches of rainfall. So we'll make sure we'll be on the lookout for that as the storm gets closer. So back here at home, it's 88 degrees, feels like 94 out there with humidity at 57%. And over the day today, as it progresses, we're going to be sticking with rain chances into about 20% with partly sunny skies out there. And if you're going to the beach today, it's going to be a nice beach day. Winds east 5 to 10 miles per hour, rip currents low there. And if you prefer to take out the boat, well, it's a nice boating day. Winds 5 to 10 knots, seas 2 to 4 feet, inland waters a light chop. Now in your First Alert 7-day forecast here, we can see those temperatures are going to be staying into the lower 90s here for your highs. But as we get into the weekend here, that's when our rain chances are going to be increasing, about 60% chance as we monitor Tropical Storm Isaias. Stay with us.